I feel like I've been scared of that question. Just so much reflection and thought required. And if I'm wrong on something, I feel like my whole life and all the choices I've been making is ruined. But but why though? Why do I feel like that? I really am starting to feel like when you ask yourself why in any situation, that's when you learn the most about yourself. And that's when you learn the most in general. Really try to ask yourself with everything you do, why do you do it? Why are you doing the things you are doing? Why are you choosing to do them? Be like a 5-year old. Just ask why? Why do you want to do that? Well, it's fun. Why is it fun? Oh, because this. Oh, why is it? Why is that? And then it just leads to this funnel where at the end you finally get to the true reason, which is like something deep, like you weren't loved as a parent, as a child, or something like that. It gets really deep. And the reason why I think it's so problematic to not ask yourself why, to not have a why to do anything, because not only will you not do anything, but I feel like it's so easy to do a bunch of random stuff that we don't really like, and just because everyone else is doing it, we do it. And we never ask why. We never ask why we're doing the things we're doing. One example I can give of this, I guess, is like nobody wanted to like have a YouTube channel. Nobody wanted to like put themselves out there. Nobody wanted to do those things, and I just asked why. And then like, oh, it's kind of scary, and like I don't know, it's not for me. Well, I actually kind of like it, and like it's scary. It's like it's fine. Just some random examples like that, and maybe maybe they're right because I'm freaking freezing right now, bro. It's like 25 Fahrenheit in the morning. The sun's rising. I'll show you. Sun's rising like that. It's kind of a good view right there. Like you like it. I hope you do. But yeah, even I could ask myself why I'm making this video. Why I'm making this video? Because I want to try to help you, give you some value. Why do I not want to do that? Because I just want to help you. Why? Because I didn't get that help. Why didn't I get that help? Because maybe I wasn't given that much attention. Maybe I wasn't getting that recognition that I thought I wanted. Imagine going that deep with anything, maybe even for working out. Like, why do you want to work out? Because I want to get ripped. Why do you want to get ripped? Because I want to look good. Why do you want to look good? So other people can respect me and like me. Why do you want to have other people respect you and like you? Because I feel like it's something that's been missing in my life for the past 15 years. Sorry, it's not that it's like emotional, I'm just freezing. But imagine how deep you can really go with that. Just asking yourself why over and over and over again. You can really find the true reasons to why you do things. And then when you get the true reason, it's so easy to actually realize what you're missing out on. So when you stop watching this video, I really want you to wrestle with the question why. Why are you doing the things that you're doing? Why? Why are you watching YouTube? Why are you bored? Why do you feel like you have nothing to do? Why is your life not that eventful? All right, I'm not gonna guess anymore because I could go probably deeper, but like I feel like you can answer those whys for yourself. It's such a powerful question to really ask yourself, and you learn a lot from it. And the last thing I want to leave you on actually is when you have a why, when you have a reason, whatever you're trying to do, if you have a why on why you want to do it, you're going to do it more. So if you have a why to do great habits, you're going to do great habits. You're going to have a why to take a cold shower because it's healthy. It's like, it's good for you. It feels great, so you're going to do it. It's challenging. So you're going to do it. Same with bad habits. If you have a why on why you want to eat junk food, oh, because I have to eat one McDonald's every day or something. Because but that belief is in your mind. Why is that belief in your mind? Okay, maybe it's just been passed down by your parents. Maybe because of this, maybe because what you've been watching on YouTube. Change that belief about yourself when you ask all of those whys. And then if you don't have a why, you just won't do it. I won't kill someone. Why? Because I don't want to. Like, I don't need to. I don't have to. So I'm not gonna do it. So that might have been a little too crazy or too far, but I feel like you understand what I mean by this. If you don't have a why, you're probably not gonna do it. And if you do, you're 100 times more likely to do it. So have a why on the things that you want to do, the things that you probably should be doing, the things that you need to do. Have a why. So why did I make this video? Why am I just some 16-year-old talking to you right now? Because I just feel like I needed a video like this when I was so confused, just mimicking what everyone else did in life. And I feel like this video would have helped my younger self a little bit. So yeah, and I hope you found this video interesting or helpful. So the last thing I'm gonna say, if you wanna have a like-minded club, doesn't that sound fun? A like-minded club? People who think like you, want to be better in life. Click that link in the description to join my like-minded club. Why? Because it's great. You can connect with people and you might not get that connection anywhere else in life. So yeah, a little deep video. I hope you like this nice background and I'll see you later. Peace.